Sometimes hitting rock bottom isn't the end. It's the beginning of a new chapter you never imagined. She wasn't supposed to win. At least that's what the world kept telling her. No job, no savings, no backup plan. She typed one desperate sentence into Google: how to make money fast from home. What she found was not a get-rich-quick scheme. It was a quiet, brilliant assistant, hidden in plain sight. A name she'd never heard before: Claude AI. And this is the story of how it changed everything. Her name is Aisha, 32, former event planner. The pandemic didn't just take her job, it took her confidence, her routine, her reason to get out of bed. Her days were filled with job rejections, online applications, and silence. Her nights, crying quietly so her daughter wouldn't hear. "What do I have that people would even pay for?" she whispered. The answer would come from a chatbot, but it started with a single idea. A random blog post changed her life. Use Claude AI to brainstorm your next side hustle. Skeptical, exhausted, curious, she opened the chat, typed, "What can I sell on Etsy with no money?" In 10 seconds, Claude gave her 30 ideas, but one stood out: self-care journal templates for busy moms. That night, something shifted. For the first time in months, she felt hope. No one knew what she was doing, just her laptop, and Claude. Claude helped her write product descriptions, create SEO tags, design journal prompts with calming language, and slowly her shop began to take shape. She listed her first digital product with trembling hands. Nothing happened for 3 days. She almost gave up again. But on day 4, she got her first sale. "It's just a fluke," she told herself. "No one will come back." But Claude reminded her, consistency builds trust. Add more listings. So she did. Journals for moms, printable affirmations, self-love trackers. Then came a bad review. Someone said the file didn't open. "You're not cut out for this," the voice in her head whispered. But Claude, it calmly guided her on how to respond professionally, and even helped her design a better version. That night she cried, but it wasn't sadness, it was release. 2 months later, she made her first $500, then $1,200, then $3,000. She wasn't just making money, she was building a brand, one journal at a time. And Claude, it never asked for credit, it just kept helping. Today, Aisha runs a 6-figure Etsy store. She hires stay-at-home moms to help with customer service. She gives free workshops on how to use AI ethically to build businesses. She no longer cries at night, she sleeps in peace, because she built something no one can take from her. And it all began with a question: what can I sell on Etsy with no money? The real answer: belief, guidance, action. This isn't just Aisha's story, it's yours too, if you're ready to type that first question. Because Claude didn't build her business, she did. The difference between staying stuck and starting over is one bold decision you're scared to make. So, what are you waiting for?